Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome back for those that are subscribed. Subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos, and like this video at the end of the video if you found it useful. Let's head straight into this video. This is a snappy video, very short, literally just showing you guys how to build these boxes. They didn't come with no instructions. There were no instructions. At first I was actually baffled. I was thinking, the heck? Who knows how to fix one of these? So I literally went on YouTube, didn't find anything, and I thought, no, someone else is going to struggle how to fix one of these. So I'm literally going to be the plug and help them out. So enjoy this little tutorial and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. Subscribe to my channel and watch out for my future videos. Bye bye.